heard that familiar phrase, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade? Well, that's exactly what Warren Buffett did. He turned the market's sour lemons into a refreshing glass of profits, sweetening his fortune during tough times. Buffett stands as a shining example of how to transform adversity into astonishing achievement. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Long before Warren Buffett became the big shot chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, he was already the classmate who turned every playground into a mini business hub. Imagine him as that kid in elementary school who was always hustling with his friends, selling gum and comic books like a young entrepreneur in the making. Even back then, Buffett's flair for business was shining bright. At the tender age of 6, Warren Buffett was already a mini mogul, buying packs of gum and flipping them for a sweet profit. Remember what you were doing at 11? Probably trying to figure out homework or perfecting your game of tag. Well, while most of us were busy with that, Buffett was already making moves in the stock market, setting himself up for future success. By 11, he was on to even bigger things, diving into the stock market with his first investment in City Service Preferred, buying shares for himself and his sister Doris like a young finance whiz. As the years rolled on, Buffett's life just got more exciting and adventurous. As a teenager, he dove into all kinds of entrepreneurial escapades. Picture this. He and a buddy were out delivering newspapers, raking in a cool $175 a month. Big bucks back then. And get this, Buffett even bought a pinball machine, set it up in a local barbershop, and turned it into a money-making machine. Talk about an early start to a life of business thrills, huh? With all that hard-earned cash, Buffett wasn't about to sit around. That is not very businesslike to sit around. So, at just 15, he made his first big move by using his savings to buy a 40-acre farm with a friend. Can you believe it? A real estate mogul in the making. This was just the beginning. He kept the momentum going with savvy investments, diving into stocks and mastering the market. Warren Buffett truly was a child prodigy in the world of business. After graduation, Buffett didn't just dip his toes into the investment world, he jumped right into it. He started by working at his father's brokerage firm, then took a giant leap by joining Benjamin Graham's investment partnership. Graham's groundbreaking value investing principles became Buffett's secret playbook, laying the foundation for his future success and turning him into the investing powerhouse we know today. In 1965, Buffett took the helm of Berkshire Hathaway, which was then a failing textile firm. He turned it around by focusing on buying undervalued companies and investing in businesses with solid management and growth potential. This strategy transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a successful and diverse conglomerate, showcasing Buffett's knack for finding opportunities in challenging situations. From selling gum to buying companies, he knew the real deal. Given his history, it is not questionable that he landed into that whopping $74.3 billion. But like any great story, Buffett's journey wasn't all smooth sailing. Even the mightiest ship can struggle when the seas are stormy. During economic downturns, Buffett faced rough waters and had to make some tough, bold decisions. But instead of backing down, he saw these challenges as his chance to make history. When the economy hit rock bottom, Buffett saw it as the ultimate test that would propel him into the annals of greatness. Even during the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett seized the moment, using the burst housing bubble and the stock market's steep decline as prime investment opportunities. It is truly a work of art how he turned the negatives into positives here. With all those hard work and smart moves, Buffett rocketed to become the fourth richest person in the world, with a jaw-dropping net worth of $74.3 billion, more than doubling his $34.65 billion fortune from 2007. Can you imagine that amount of money and the possibilities it can do? So, how did he do it? It is no secret, so I'm gonna tell you. During the crisis, Buffett made a powerhouse move by investing $5 billion in Goldman Sachs, a global financial giant known for its major role in investment banking and securities. His strategic bet paid off big time, netting him a staggering $3.7 billion in profit, an impressive 74% return. It was indeed a winning move, and in business, he was playing chess, not checkers. Aside from that, he also made savvy investments in Johnson & Johnson, a global leader in healthcare products, Wells Fargo and US Bancorp, major players in the banking sector, and Walmart, the retail giant. By snapping up these top companies at rock-bottom prices, Buffett seized a golden opportunity during the downturn. It wasn't just luck, it was a bold and calculated move. He saw beyond the market chaos and recognized the incredible value hidden in those low stock prices. With confidence and strategic foresight, he took a risk that many might have shied away from, knowing that this gamble was bound to pay off. And pay off it did, showing once again that Buffett's keen eye for opportunity truly sets him apart. Buffett had an eye for picking out top-quality companies at unbeatable prices, and Apple was a star player in his strategy. He didn't just invest in it, he went big, turning it into his largest portfolio holding. Today, Apple makes up an impressive 23.8% of his investments, showcasing how smart buys can lead to massive success. Building on Buffett's winning strategy of investing in strong businesses during challenging times, the 2020 crisis offers a thrilling opportunity for savvy investors. While not as drastic as the 2008 downturn, it is still a prime moment to dive into the market and scoop up undervalued, high-quality companies. Embracing this approach now could set the stage for impressive future gains. With lessons and learning along the way, Buffett's portfolio is a powerhouse of major investments, featuring beloved brands like Coca-Cola, American Express, and Kraft Heinz, along with stakes in banks, airlines, and General Motors. His approach focuses on a diverse range of popular brands, demonstrating his skill in selecting companies that not only appeal to consumers, but also have great potential for future growth. Today, even with his immense wealth and power, Buffett is celebrated for his humility, simplicity, and down-to-earth nature. Despite his enormous wealth, he chooses to live a modest lifestyle, earning admiration for staying grounded and approachable. Warren Buffett's journey teaches us a powerful lesson. In every challenge lies a hidden opportunity. By turning economic downturns into chances of growth and investing wisely in undervalued companies, Buffett shows us that even the toughest times can be transformed into incredible success stories. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Warren Buffett's incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in. We would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and share your takeaways. Your support helps us bring you more great content, so stay tuned for more.